morning. We're gonna do some road work or some levee work on the best fishing hole in town. Had a big storm come in last night, but luckily it split and went right around us. But got a few potholes and mud holes, and the road's got some grooves in it and it's holding water, so we're gonna fix that up today. Let's get after it. Alright, now we got something to work with. Sure glad I brought a cab. It's about 35 degrees and this water smells good. Cold. Well, we're making some progress. Got most of it roughed in. What we're going to do is put that clay gravel in there and just kind of shape it, and then we'll top it with some material I've never hauled before. It's supposed to be some crushed, I guess it's round rock, river rock, but it's crushed with some like sand in it, kind of like river sand. It's going to look kind of like road gravel when you put it down, but be full of rock and have sand. It ought to be pretty good. I've heard it's real good stuff. These guys like it more than SB2, so we'll see how good it is. But making some progress. probably need 1 or 2 more loads. Down here on the other side, it's a pretty good hole right up here. We'll try to make it with 3. That side's probably 6 inches low. Quite a bit of potholes there before that pipe, so that's where we're at.